The Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing represents the pinnacle of modern American performance sedans, a raw blend of luxury, power, and engineering audacity. With a hand-built 6.2-liter supercharged V8, a 6-speed manual transmission option, and track-ready dynamics, it's Cadillac's defiant statement in a world dominated by turbocharged 6-cylinders and hybrids. However, as with any high-performance machine, ownership isn't just about power and prestige. It's also about dealing with the quirks, maintenance demands, and potential long-term issues that come with it. So what can you realistically expect if you bring a CT5-V Blackwing into your garage? Let's take a closer look. The CT5-V Blackwing's aggressive exterior design features aerodynamic enhancements, carbon fiber components, and large cooling openings. While they contribute to performance and visual drama, owners report a few frustrations. The low front splitter and side skirts are prone to scraping, especially on steep driveways or speed bumps. The carbon fiber, though lightweight and strong, is also costly to replace. Expect eye-watering repair bills for even minor damage. Paint quality is generally high, but some owners have noted stone chip vulnerability on the front fascia and lower panels due to the car's wide stance and sticky Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires that fling debris. In regions with harsh winters, corrosion protection is adequate, though not exceptional. Regular detailing and undercarriage cleaning are a must to preserve the finish. Step inside, and the CT5-V Blackwing's cabin impresses with premium materials, supportive seats, and a solid layout that blends sportiness with comfort. However, Cadillac's electronics have not always been bulletproof. The infotainment system, though improved over previous generations, can still suffer from occasional lag, Bluetooth connection dropouts, and random reboots. Some users have also reported premature wear on Alcantara surfaces, especially on frequently touched areas like the steering wheel and shifter. Rattles or squeaks from the interior trim may appear after several thousand miles of spirited driving, unsurprising given the car's stiff chassis and road feedback. It's luxurious, yes, but it still carries a trace of that GM feel beneath the premium veneer. At the heart of the CT5-V Blackwing lies the 6.2-liter LT4 supercharged V8, a powerhouse borrowed from the Corvette Z06 and Camaro ZL1, delivering 668 horsepower and 659 pound-feet of torque. It's a hand-assembled marvel, but not immune to problems. The supercharger itself is a known weak point if abused. Prolonged high heat operation or lack of cooling down periods can lead to bearing wear or rotor coating degradation. Carbon buildup on intake valves, common with direct injection, can appear over time, and oil consumption isn't unheard of, especially under heavy track use. Cooling system vigilance is critical. Clogged radiators or coolant leaks can quickly escalate due to the immense thermal load. Regular oil changes with high-quality synthetic and proper warm-up routines can dramatically extend its life, but this is not an engine that forgives neglect. One of the Blackwing's biggest appeals is its available 6-speed manual gearbox, an increasingly rare gem in today's market. It's beautifully engineered, but not indestructible. Aggressive clutch use or repeated launches can lead to early clutch wear or even hydraulic issues. The Tremec TR6060 transmission is robust, yet owners have mentioned occasional notchiness between first and second gear, especially when cold. For automatic-equipped cars, the 10-speed unit provides lightning shifts, but can exhibit harshness during downshifts or hesitation under partial throttle. Mostly software-related, but still annoying in a $90,000 car. Keeping up transmission fluid changes and avoiding aggressive cold starts are essential for reliability. Cadillac's magnetic ride control system gives the Blackwing an exceptional balance between comfort and track precision. However, complexity comes at a cost. Shock absorber leaks, sensor malfunctions, and magnetic fluid issues have been reported in earlier Cadillac performance models, and while improved, the Blackwing's adaptive suspension isn't immune. Replacement costs are steep. Each damper can cost thousands to replace. Additionally, bushings and ball joints experience accelerated wear under aggressive driving, especially on rough roads. Wheel alignment is another common concern. With so much torque and grip, improper alignment can quickly destroy expensive performance tires. Owners who plan to track their cars regularly should budget for frequent inspections and possible suspension recalibration. The Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing is a magnificent machine, an unapologetic blend of brute power, craftsmanship, and old-school driving emotion. But owning one isn't for the faint of heart. You're not just buying speed and luxury, you're committing to high maintenance costs, careful upkeep, and a few compromises in everyday usability. The engine demands respect, the suspension needs attention, and the electronics can occasionally test your patience. Yet, for those who truly appreciate what it represents, the last of the analog American super sedans, it's worth every bit of effort. Treat it right, and the CT5 Blackwing will reward you with one of the most thrilling driving experiences of the modern era.